Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 lag. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then type enable Xbox game bar, and then make sure to turn off this option and go to graphics settings, turn it on, and then go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, and then adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and after that just close it. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.